Well, hello everyone and welcome to a very special episode of Wild Your Garden indeed. I am here right in central London. I'm on Clapham Common, which is in the borough of Lambeth, and I really cannot wait for this project. So stick around because I'm going to turn this green space into approximately 1,000 square meters of wildlife pond, wildflower meadow and wetland, and I can't wait because this is going to be a publicly accessed space. We've got a 12-meter pedestrian footbridge going right the way across the middle of this pond, which is going to be wheelchair accessible also, which is absolutely fantastic. We've got a dipping platform as well, which is going to go in one corner for schools to utilize, to bring children down, to really get them engaged in the beauty that is our natural world. And it's all going to be natural. There's going to be no koi fish, there's going to be nothing of the sort. It's going to be purely for wildlife. So hats off to Lambeth City Council. It's an absolutely wonderful project, a really ambitious one, and well done to all of those that have fundraised to get us to where we are today, which is day one of the construction. You can see we've got the fencing all the way around the site now. It's quite a big perimeter they've fenced off. We've got some existing scrub we're going to work around. Some of it's already been coppiced already. You can see this morning the Lambeth Parks have been in, the groundsmen have been in and coppiced back some of these existing willow and alder pollards. So it's going to be brilliant. We can really access the full site once this brash has been removed. That's going to be used elsewhere on the site for some dead hedges. Lambeth City Council, and in particular the Friends of Clapham Common, what a wonderful job they are doing here to promote wildlife conservation. It really is brilliant. This is several hectares. It's a big area, and it is wonderful to see so many habitats. There's other areas of wildflower meadows. They're letting scrub regenerate. They're planting new trees. It's just fantastic. If you're ever in the area of London, get yourself down to Clapham Common. It's a really inspiring place, and you wouldn't think we are right in the midst of it, bar the planes and the traffic and the ringneck parakeets that are everywhere. But it really is a wonderful place to be. So I can't wait. I'm just awaiting for the delivery of some rather large machinery, which I'm going to have a little bit of fun with, I'm not going to lie. And then we're going to start excavating this pond, and after that then we can start looking at getting the abutments in, the concrete abutments to support what will be a steel girded bridge with a nice anti-slip deck on top as well, so it'll be accessible all year round for anybody to come down and see this space. What a project indeed. So stick around, subscribe to this channel, and let's see how we can turn this patch of grass and little pond, tiny pond, into something far better for wildlife.